Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to the shop. It's that time of year again for Pinewood Derby cars, and all three of my kids are in Cub Scouts, so all three of them are making Pinewood Derby cars. And we're going to be having a lot of fun with this. And hopefully by the end of the video you'll actually see the race and know who won, or if they won at all. Let's dive in and take a look at it. Like this, you just want to scratch a line, but you want to keep it nice and tight to that. Okay, so you can finish that line. I'll hold it down. If you lean it a little bit, like this. Don't push hard. No, that's too hard. Don't push hard. Just drag it. There you go. One more time. Oop,
How
moving
does
off.
it do that?
There's a nail on the bottom that sticks out. Let's go this way. Look on the bottom. See that point? That's what scratches it. We're going to do it on the end here. Ready? Move it, move. Just a second. Right on down that line. Nice work. There we go. You're through. Let go. You're through. You cut all the way down. Now let's see how you did. Ready?
Have a little side to side.
Yeah, it's a little bit side to side. Oh well. It'll still work. But we can clean that up with a plane. You want to do that? You do it. There we go. Ready? Open it up this way. Let's see how we did. Pretty good.
Now we have to fly
So
it out.
we're gonna smooth it out, don't we? One hand here, one hand here. Ready? Okay, we're gonna look at our lines. Still got a little more to go. See that? There we go, now we're getting there. Don't push down so hard. Just push forward. So now, Melody, to get that fast shape that you want, we have to taper off the front of this. So we're going to plane this down nice and smooth, okay?
So from here to there.
Yep. And then we'll do a little bit with the spoke shape and clean up the back and make it rounded. So that's only fun?
Round. And it kind of sounds like what we did with my cutting board.
Oh. Keep going. Let's take a look at it. Is it getting thin up front? Feel it. Ready? See that starting to round it?
Yeah.
Let's do this side. Grab this spoke shape.
How do you do the same thing? I know how to use wood, so
Right, do that line. There you go. You do the same thing on the other side. Angle it this way. See how it goes? Okay, you do it. And look at your loop. Stop. You're back too far. See, you're hitting the line here already. You just need to do this little tip up here.
how?
Just like that. There you go. You're done.
That's it.
You can do some. Okay, you do it. All the way to the end. All the way to the end. All the way to the end. Oh, you're doing too far back. You start up here. See, all the way off. You do that? Right there. All the way off. No, not that far back. Right here. Right there. Pull it all the way off. Try it again. There you go. You get it. Let me help you.
A bit of that can be done. Okay.
Back up to here.
1, 2, 3. Next corner.
The next corner is this one.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're gonna let that sit.
Because I shook it up a lot. I shook my car up a lot.
First thing we need to do, Melody, is we need to mark where the weights need to go. So these are tungsten weights. Feel them. See how heavy they are.
Whoa, that's kind of heavy. How much did
That weighs more than 2 of the cars put together.
How many is
This weighs more than all of that.
Oh my.
I know. So this way a little more. There you go. I'll push it in.
Yeah, this is what's hard to do. Go through.
I'll tell you to stop. You just keep going.
Control deep holes. They control deeper holes than
Keep going. Yeah, we don't want to glue though. Come loose. Ready? Be very careful where I put this because I don't want to put glue where I don't want glue.
We can surprise.
Silver one in here.
Hey, it's like I painted one silver and one gold.
Yep. Okay, tap it down. Keep going all the way. Okay, tap, tap, tap. That's where to bend it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We'll go a little more. Tap, tap, tap. This one's 4.8, so we might end up adding a little bit more weight to yours in the future. A little harder.
Can I bring my car upstairs?
No. Keep going. Okay. Let's see how it weighs. Ready? 5 ounces on the nose. Let's see how close it is. Just a minute.
5.0.
We want it to run straight down the board. So if I let go here, I want it to end out like right about here. Well, let's see. I don't know. It might veer off, so you gotta get ready to catch it.
Got it.
Touch the end. Catch me again. Try one more time. Perfect. Yep, that one's running great. So hop down there. You gotta stop it. You ready to stop it? Don't let it go off the end. Ready? I think I need to go a little bit farther back. Yep.
Yeah. And 2, 1, go!
And the results are in. All 3 of them won first place in their own den. JJ won first place over all the pack. Melody got 3rd and Arthur got 4th. All 3 of them are going on to the regional trials, and that'll be in April. So we got a lot of fun ahead of us. So there you have it. All 3 kids have their own cars and what they want and their colors. And we're going to take them off to the races and have a little bit of fun, which you probably already saw. So yeah, this is a great time for the kids in the shop, and it's a fantastic project for them. Get to experience the saw and the plane and other things and see how it feels, and they get to have a little bit of fun. If you'd like to see a little bit more of the detail where I talk through how they're made and what all we're doing and some of the thought processes behind them, I'll leave a link to that. There's a second video on the other channel, Wood by Wright 2. So that's about it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to the shop. This is really going to be a lot harder than it looks.